Bengaluru, one of the most well-known Indian cities in the world, is the capital of the Indian state of Karnataka. It is a city rich in culture, tradition and creativity. It is often referred to as the Garden City, representing the abundance of gardens and lakes. Bengaluru City Railway Station, officially known as Krantivira Sangolli Rayanna Station, is the main railway station serving the city. It is the sixth busiest intercity railway station in South India. A total of 164 pairs of express trains and 109 pairs of passenger trains pass through the existing two stations, namely KSR Bengaluru Junction and Yashwantpur Junction. There was a long pending desire among the people of Karnataka and across India to introduce more number of express trains and passenger trains from Bengaluru. To meet this aspiration, a new terminal was planned at Byappanahalli. The terminal is all set for inauguration at an anticipated cost of Rs 314 crores. This is probably the first station in India being named after an eminent engineer who has contributed for the growth of Karnataka, and the second station being named after a Bharat Ratna awardee, Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. A grand canopy over the station building concourse of approximately 4,200 square meters on the lines of Bengaluru International Airport, with a fully air-conditioned entrance lobby of almost 900 square meters. It is a first in Indian Railways. There are facilities of escalators and a lift-in concourse to ease passenger movement beside stairs. The station has 7 platforms of a width of 15 meters and a length of 600 meters, fully covered with CC aprons on all tracks. A 7.5 meter wide foot-over bridge, along with 2 subways, connects all platforms. For passengers who may have to wait before embarking on their journey, there is an upper-class waiting hall for men and women and a reserved VIP lounge. A food court area, well-marked parking space for 250 four-wheelers, 900 two-wheelers, 50 autos, and a covered space for 5 buses. A beautifully designed landscape in the circulating area. To match the theme of our garden city, this modern station has ample greenery all around. In order to ensure the comfort of travelers, USB charging facilities have been provided right below and adjacent to the seat. The world-class station has separate entry and exit points from both ends to ease traffic. Travelers are met with the pleasing sight and sound of a water fountain at the entry. A train station? No, it is a world-class, first-of-its-kind terminal in India that will soon be the pride of Bengaluru. We invite citizens from across to come and experience this magnificent facility as they touch down at the city of Bengaluru during the course of their journey. This is a Ruby Films production. Watch the space for more from us.